Okay, for question number 1, we need to figure out a model car travels 10 meters in 20 seconds. How many meters will it travel in 45 seconds? Now, one of the easy things to do would be to know that we draw our DST triangle, the distance, speed, time triangle. Now, I know that the car traveled 10 meters, that is a distance, and it did that in 20 seconds. Now, if I were to, let me just pull, no, not that, that is not what I want. I wanted this, pull this up, let's fill it with black. And if I were to cover this up, which is what I'm looking for, I notice that I have 10 over 20. 10 over 20. Well, I don't see 10 20ths as an answer. So I know that I need to say 10 divided by 20. Now be careful. You don't want to say 10 divided by 20. That is a very easy misconception to make. That is not correct. However, you could say 10 divided by 20. Now, for most of us, we are not used to doing this. So we're going to use our calculators. And when we divide 10 divided by 20, on your calculators, you'll notice that you're going to get an answer that looks similar to 0.5. Now be very careful. It would be tempting to answer A because that matches this answer. However, that's only the first part of the question. This is a multi-step problem. How many meters will it travel in 45 seconds? So I'm going to draw another DST triangle down here. And I know that it's going to go distance, speed, and time. It's going to go for 45 seconds. Now, I have to find one of these. Well, I just did. 0.5 is what our speed was in the last answer. So we can put 0.5 in here. Again, using your calculators, if you say 0.5 times 45, you're going to get an answer of 22.5, which means this is not the answer, and B is.